Okay, so I'm going to take a quick demo video of the new cover system in place. As you can see, there are no markers. The cover here is all static, apart from these, but there's actually nothing on them. They're just automatically non-static. Obviously the AI code is different. Basically all I'm running is code to this bit here. That's pretty much it. And basically what they do is they're going to just try and hide. There's no code to attack or anything else like that. There's no waypoint or anything right now. Their only mission is to hide from the player. And I haven't actually run this level. I've run it with the little sandbag things, and it kind of works. I mean, occasionally they'll go like over here, and then they'll run back over to this bit here, which is slightly odd. But that seems to be the waypoint code. I will show you the pathing. There's not really anything I can do that. I don't control where they're going to go. I just sort of let them find somewhere to hide. Okay, so just run this, and you see he's alerted, and he'll run around the corner here. And I've lost sight of him, so I don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. And there you go, he knows he can't see me, so when they can't see me, they just rotate so that they can update again as soon as they see me. As you see, he's slowly rotating to face me, but he can't see me. So I go around here. There he spotted me, and now he'll walk off again. And it looks like he might. There we go, he's going to hide behind the sandbag. So again, there's no markers or anything. He doesn't have any idea. There's nothing. I haven't specified any of these entities. I haven't told him where to go. He's just literally looking for a place to hide. I have no idea whether the barrels would actually count. So again, there you go, he's going to just wander off somewhere. And obviously he's not actually hiding, but I can't see him because of the sandbag right behind me. So he knows he's safe. There's another guy over here. And he's going to wander off around the corner. Where is he going? Oh, he's inside the tent. Okay. So with this camera angle, I can't even see where he is. Oh, it's popping out again. I don't actually know if they can walk all the way through because I haven't changed any of the FBEs, but it looks like you can just walk through it. I'm going to turn the visuals up so we can see the little paths. As you see, the animation stopped working, but now he's hiding around the corner there, and there is another one inside. So if I walk inside, he should now come back out. There he goes. So occasionally they're gonna do things like that, like walk past you. They are set to walk, just to keep it easier, which is perfectly fine. That's easily changed. Again, this is just going to be like a little function, and you can change it all depending on which script you're using yourself. The idea being you can just drop it into a default script with maybe a little condition, like maybe if their health is below half, just run and hide somewhere. Easily done. And there we go, he's going to go around, hide back inside. He's going to change his mind and go around the corner. And he knows he can't see me, but if I walk a bit further, he's thinking about going inside, and now he's thinking about going back around again. And they will do that occasionally. They'll be like, maybe I should go somewhere else. And unfortunately, I can't really control that. I've tried to tell them to go, away from the player, but occasionally there will be the odd time when they'll go, when you'll be at that sort of odd distance where they'll be like just far enough away to walk towards you, but at the same time because I can't control the path, I can only control like the destination as such. But as you can see, for the most part, it's working very well. There's no way I could attack them from here. Sometimes, if it's like a big bit of cover, they'll get stuck on it and they'll like constantly just keep moving around it. They'll never use anything else. This one's going for a nice little walk. It's just wandering around everywhere. And obviously if they're running, this is going to be happening a lot quicker. Right now, like I say, they're just set to wander around at their own little speed. He's having good fun just wandering around forever. But yeah, with some good level design, I mean, obviously there's a lot of cover here you can use, and you wouldn't want to be putting cover markers or scripts on every single thing in your level. I mean, this I'd have to literally cover this entire map with markers just to give them all the possible bits of cover here, like for this direction, this direction, this direction. And I mean, if you had like multiple select and paste, I suppose that's going to be possible, but I wouldn't recommend it. So. And then again, of course, I mean, you saw already they can stand quite in the open. You can stand like right here, and if you're over here, you still can't see him, but he wouldn't be like placing cover zones right here. So in that respect, they're quite smart about where they'll stand. Just not always so smart on how they want to get there. But eventually they'll work it out. And there you go, stop moving, so he's going to just be fine right there. And yeah, they don't use the barrels. I will probably do one more test just to make sure they can use like lower cover, things like the single sandbags. Because I want to see if it's a possibility to allow them to fire. But I don't think this is going to be able to allow you to do stuff like that, just because, as you see, they use anything as cover, and the idea being that they can't see you from their new position, and so obviously if they can see you to be able to fire at you, they're not going to register that as cover, and so it probably won't work in that respect. But hopefully if the actual AI command gets fixed so that it goes back to them being able to use that sort of cover as an advantage, as we saw in the YouTube videos, then you can use a combination of the two to create pretty smart AI, I should think. So hopefully I will be able to finish this off a bit better for you to use soon.